Okay, so now we're going to look at setting up a folder for developing our website within. All right, so I'm in a directory here, the See My Files directory, and I just want to create an empty folder that I'm going to start building my web content inside of. Okay, so I'm just going to do new here, folder. I'm just going to call this web example 2, so we have a web example 1. And then I'm going to go in here and I'm just going to go ahead and add some subfolders. So generally when you're going to have styles, you generally want to save that in a subfolder. So I'm going to do a styles subfolder here. Sometimes people call that CSS instead. Doesn't really matter. We'll have an assets folder. So this will be for files that we're going to use. So things like images and whatnot. It's common to have a source folder. So this would be where you're going to maybe put source code that you're using, like Bootstrap or jQuery. And what else? I guess we're going to maybe, if we want to have any scripts, we could create a scripts folder or a JS folder or something. So I'm just going to call this, we'll just do JS for JavaScript. In this example, we won't really have any JavaScript, but I just wanted to, be for the sake of completeness, that's common. Again, these names of these subfolders don't matter. It's just trying to make a nice orderly directory. And then go ahead, I'm going to start a landing page. So I'm just going to create a new page here, and I'm going to do text, and we're just going to call this index.html, and that'll be our main page. All right, and then I'm going to go in here to styles, and I'm going to create a CSS file. So we'll just call this my styles and change the extension to CSS. Okay, cool. All right, so that's a basic directory. So that should be set up. So now let's go ahead and open that up in VS Code. So I'm already in a different folder. So to go to that one, I'm just going to do File and then Open Folder. And again, we want to navigate here to this My Files folder. And now we have our web example 2. And we're going to do Select Folder. Okay, and that opens up our directory. I'm going to do yes, trusted author because I made it, so I know it's safe. And there's our index file. And you can, if you drop down the styles folder there, you can see our styles file. So there's our basic layout for our web page.